What's up, team? I just want to take you guys along here. I'm gonna start a little reels like short series as I'm kind of getting through shit in the garage here. So for this one, I guess primarily take you guys over here and check it out. Okay, so I was gonna throw that holly harness in and realized I don't know how well I should have set the light up for you guys, but most of that shit is a complete rat's nest. So yeah, I think in the next couple videos we're gonna be focused mainly on probably pulling the interior and then getting this thing prepped for a cage and then pulling all this old wiring out. So I figured I'd take you guys along on shorts and reels and then do my normal YouTube video kind of in addition to. So most of this shit's bolted up, kind of rough. The engine's in. Me and Lincoln had redone the cross member and got that hammered out. And then this guy is still kind of just chilling. It's still got to get mostly welded yet. Radiator's got to go in. And then funny story, I actually accidentally, which regardless, I don't know if it was my beautiful Harbor Freight torque wrench or the studs that were in here. Everything on this thing has been a literal curse. Everything was fucked up constantly. I had to pretty much literally do everything twice because it didn't go in right, or the shit that it was installed by the previous owner or the shop he had to do it was fucked up. But yeah, I ended up pulling these threads out, torquing it. So essentially I pulled everything off it, all the new shit. I was literally about to hang it up and put it in the car, and I ended up pulling the studs out. So I gotta get the wife's car back and we're gonna start on some shit on that probably pretty shortly. But I just kind of wanted to start this little Reels series for everybody who doesn't have the attention span, including myself, to sit through a 15-20 minute YouTube video. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. Keep up with the videos, and then if you can, hop on YouTube and just subscribe to my YouTube channel. Appreciate it. I pretty much got the mess of it pulled out. I mean, it was all running and working before. They have this little six fuse panel there. Pretty simple. Switches are all done pretty nice and correctly. It looks still messy, but it's not nearly as bad as it was. I removed the boost leash. All the mechanical gauges are gonna go. I don't want any of them. Your headlight, tail light, dome light. Pretty simple. I have it pretty well organized right now. So the next thing I'm going to focus on is cleaning this up. I'm going to order tube here probably in the next week. They're out of tube at the place we usually go for Molly around here locally. Well, they're not out, but they don't have, I think they only have like 2 sticks. So I need more than that. I'm going to wait until next week. And then they did actually a pretty good job on these subframes. Actually a really nice job on these subframes. Usually you never know what you're gonna get. And yeah, they did a really nice job with the in-floor ones. Unfortunately, I'll kind of go over what I'm gonna do to work with that. Obviously I'm gonna put the main hoop on those and the A-pillar bars up front on those. So, but I just wanted to show you guys kind of where we're at with it.